Okay, okay, relief trader. So today we are going to be preparing for the week. Basically, I just have my eyes on three markets. Yeah, I have my eyes on three markets, just three. And the main thing here I want you all to always remember is arrow multiple. Okay, the main goal here is you are not trying to be Mr. Right. You are not trying to. All right. Okay, so looking at my screen currently, you can see Boom 1000. And if you followed us last week, you will know the things I talked about and you see how they all played out. Boom 500 gave us a chart pattern, shoulder, head, shoulder. And I'm expecting it to get into this area first, which is from where it was from around here. I've been milking it from like the yesterday, okay, because today is almost coming to an end. After that chart pattern, I got the momentum and all that. You get me? The main goal I told you guys, it's be patient for the market to do what you are used to. You see your criterias. It's not that you are not a profitable trader. You are not just consistently profitable yet. And how do you become consistently profitable? Is by sticking to your plan to the T. There are times that you do everything right. Trust me, I have been there. There are times that you do everything right and the market will just do what it wants to do. That's it. If life and if trading was ABCD, everybody would be a consistently profitable trader. You get me? So most times when you go back, you check, okay, why did I enter this trade? Why did I take this loss? You see that, all right, I followed everything, the market just did what it did. That's fine. And also, if you enter the market, everything goes well as planned, yes, you have done your part. That is also one reason for you to always prioritize the process. Okay, most times I don't even look at the value of my account before I take trade, because I'm more focused on, is this setup the right setup? Are my criterias in place? And once I put in that lot size, I know that after I put in the lot size, this market is bound to give me my money. It's bound to go in the direction I'm anticipating for. Because the main goal at the ending of the day is for you to be on the right side whenever you punch that market. So looking at Boom 500, I'm still expecting more sell. I'm still expecting more sell because the structure currently is lower high, lower low. I'm expecting it to come into 4206. This is over when it got here. I started selling. So let's say 453 to 4206. That's approximately 200 pips. If you followed last week, you know that this is what we anticipated. If the market kept on going up after getting to this zone, then we'll keep on looking for buy entries. But it did otherwise, and we started selling due to structure, price action. There's principles of uptrend and there's principles of downtrend. If you don't know that, go back and do your due diligence. All right. So for Boom 500, we're still expecting more sell momentum into that area. Wait for structure and everything to align. Still keep in mind, this is just the overview analysis, okay? This is the overview analysis, and where I make my entry and exit plan is on the Derive X platform. That's the Trading View and Derive X platform. So for Boom 1000, is still going in that linear. If you bring out your fib, let's see, it's likely got to the 50% retracement area and bounced off. So the rhythm of this market is currently higher highs and higher lows, but this is an area which I talked about. It got there, reversed down, and is going back up. So pay attention to structure, position yourself properly, and milk this market. For this market, the overall trend for 3 months has been bearish. Okay, so a pullback is necessary. Now, if this pullback continues, fine. But if we get a double top pattern to continue this trend, so be it. But right now, this trend is on an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. It's currently at a major zone of 17765. If it breaks here, it's going to 17019. And if it fails to break here and materialize and give us a selling criteria breaking structure, we're expecting it to come back to 17402, which I doubt it would. You get me, guys? It has been selling for over 3 months. Either it keeps going up or it gives us a massive consolidation going up and down this area. So trade carefully while you are trading boom 1000. You get me? It's very volatile. Next, lastly, is Bond 300, this baby. If you remember when we talked about it last week, you can watch the previous session. This market was sitting right about here. I was anticipating it to get to this area, this weekly area here. Precisely, let it get to 2250 area, because it got from here, it swing to the downside, got to this area, went back up, touch here. So I'm expecting it to come into this area because market move from zones to zones. And if you know the market move from zones to zones, all you have to do is wait for structure, price to align in your direction. I'm repeating this, align in your direction. If you don't have a good entry and exit strategy, the link is in the description. Send a DM, get the entry, the relief entry and exit strategy, and save yourself those dollar you are already paying to the market. You're already losing money because it's not that your analysis is not right. You are not having a perfect timing, entry and exit of the market. So with that being done and said, I'm waiting for this baby currently. I already got some trade on it earlier today from around here precisely. I took out my profit, then it went up. So I'm waiting for today's candle to close because it's closing in a bearish, bouncing off this previous zone. This market broke. This is the previous swing low that got it up here. It has broken it, come bounce. So let's see, I'm expecting it to come to this area here. So that's it for the tree market. Boom 300. I'm waiting for sell. It's moving from 2444 to 2251. That's approximately 200 pips ish. And boom 1000 buying, let's say from there to the upside, is approximately still 200. So if you position yourself properly, taking trades of this tree market, that's potential 600 pips. There's no how you won't be able to catch 150, 200 from this market. So lock in, guys, position yourself properly, and I will see you next week, same time, 10 p.m. We'll prepare for the week together. With that being done and said, I wish each and